In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Microsoft Loop. If you're looking to collaborate more effectively, or simply want to give feedback in real time within this dynamic platform, then you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started by first opening up Microsoft Loop. You can do this by searching for Microsoft Loop in your preferred web browser. Once you've found it, click on the link to Microsoft Loop itself. Next, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials, and you'll be taken right to the home page. For those who haven't used Microsoft Loop before, just follow the prompts to create an account if needed. Once you're in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll want to access the specific Loop page that contains either the table or board component where you need to add a comment. This might be a project you're currently working on or a shared page with your team. Make sure that you've navigated to the correct section to avoid adding comments in unrelated areas. Once you've located the right table or board, it's time to narrow it down to the specific spot within that component. Look for the exact cell within the table or the particular field within the board that you want to comment on. It's crucial you select the correct cell or field to ensure your comment is relevant to the content. The next move is to right-click on the chosen cell or field. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. It's a really simple process. The key is to click carefully, making sure you're right where you want to be, so the context menu relates directly to your selection. After the menu appears, you'll see the option to add a comment. Look for New Comment, and go ahead and select this option. It should be fairly visible near the top of the list, so it won't take too long to locate. Now that you've opened up the comment box, it's time to type your comment. This is your opportunity to give feedback, ask questions, or add a necessary note about what's in the cell or field. Once you've finished typing, it's time to make it official. Click the Post Comment button to publish it, ensuring your thoughts are now visible to everyone who has access to the Loop page. And that's it! You've successfully added a comment in Microsoft Loop. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance collaboration and streamline communication within your projects. Keep these steps in mind as you navigate the platform and make your teamwork even more effective. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering Microsoft Loop.